Welcome to the Employee Access Center tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through how to complete your annual benefits enrollment process. The Employee Access Center, or EAC, can be accessed at the link on your screen. First, you will need your 5-digit employee number. That can be found on your pay stub if you do not already know it. You may have set up a password on the EAC. However, if not, the default password is the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Once you log into the EAC, we recommend you click on Deductions and Benefits on the left-hand part of your screen to familiarize yourself with the current benefit selections. When you are ready, click on Open Enrollment on the left-hand side. First, you will be asked to verify any dependents you have. Make sure all the information is accurate. Then click on Continue to Annual Benefits Enrollment. Please note that as you walk through the benefit selection process, you will see a screen for every benefit available to you, not just your current benefits. This will allow you to add any new benefits you wish to have for the following year. Also, when you click on an enrollment selection option, instructions will appear for that choice. It's important to note that each screen will default to your current benefit selection. On each screen, you must select either a benefit option or no selection made to move on. For any benefit with dependent coverage, you must make sure each person to be covered is selected for coverage on that benefit selection screen. Click on Next to move to the next benefit. Some things to watch for. On the health insurance screen, choose No Selection Made if choosing the opt-out program. Then, once on the opt-out screen, you will need to choose the option that fits your circumstance. In order to complete this process, you also need to click on the link provided under Choice Link to fill out the 2021 opt-out form and send that with a copy of your insurance card to HRM. The opt-out is only for opting out of the health insurance coverage. It does not change your dental or any other coverage. You can select dental and opt out for the medical coverage. Premium conversion program will default to the option selected for 2020. Please make sure to review the instructions provided for both options. Instructions appear when you click on an option provided. If you need more information about premium conversion, you can click on the link provided under Choice Link. On the 457 deferred compensation plans, be advised the Village has 4 different providers. Make sure you are filling in deduction information for the correct provider and type of account. There are separate screens for dollar amount deductions and percentage deductions for each plan. For example, if you have an account with Fidelity and elect to contribute a certain percentage, but the screen shows a $0 contribution, it may be because you are looking at the dollar deduction screen. By choosing No Selection Made and moving on to the next screen, you will see your current percentage deduction and the option to change it. New this year is the opportunity to submit documents. If there are any documents that you need to share with HRM, you will find a link on the left-hand side of your screen under links titled Submit Documents. When you click on this link, it will automatically open an email addressed to HRM. As an added convenience, you can attach any necessary documents to the email and send it directly to HRM. Once you have clicked through all the benefits, a summary for your annual benefits titled New Year Selection will appear. Review the summary to make sure everything is correct. You must click on Confirm All Selections at the bottom of the page. Make sure you scroll down as the confirmation button can get hidden under the list of benefits. Once you've submitted your selections, your annual benefits enrollment process is complete. Please note, you will not be able to make changes after this process is complete. For any changes, you will need to contact HRM.